Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool image around here, and basically what this is a gaming racing chair. And you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand. And if you guys see my previous video, I actually did an unboxing for this product. I think the whole setup process and everything took around like 30 to 40 minutes. The only reason why it took so long is because the bottom of the legs, you have to put on each different part one by one. But if you guys can see on the bottom of the feet or the legs, it definitely looks like a high quality material that they do use, which is like stainless steel probably. So let's go over some of the things that's on here first for those of you guys who never saw that video, before I should give you guys an update review. So obviously for the one right here, you can see we do have the white color. They do have this available in other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one to prefer. But you can see the design of the actual chair is actually pretty cool. They do have this wing back design, same thing for the bottom part right here. And for the product, they basically give you guys a neck pillow and a lumbar support pillow. But for this lumbar support pillow, it also works as a massage option, which is pretty cool. And then for the bottom part right here, they do give you guys a footrest option. So as you pull it out, you guys can basically use that footrest like that. And when you guys are not using it, you guys can let go and push back in really easily. And throughout the chair, they do use a PU leather that feels like a high quality material. So it definitely has enough cushion on here when you guys do use it. Even for the armrest right here. And obviously in the bottom, we do have the roller wheels. So we guys want to move it around. It's actually very easy for us to move it around. If you guys want to rotate on here, you definitely have the option available as well. But the cool thing about this chair is the way how they design it. When you guys do sit down, you do have the option to move all the way down or recline all the way down this far. And inside right here, we do have two levers. So one of them is for the lift option and the other one is for you guys to lock it. So let's say if you guys want to keep it right here, if you guys push the part down, that basically locks it in place. So once you guys come up, it keeps it in that position. But if you guys want to bring it back up, you guys want to pull that part up and it comes back up slowly. And like I mentioned, for right here, we do have the other lever. So if you guys do pull it, that basically brings it up. But if you guys pull it again, that brings it down. So really easy and very simple for you to use it. So that is basically what the bottom part looks like, if you can see. But definitely when you guys do sit down on here, it actually feels pretty comfortable. But now I'm going to use everything on here, including the footrest, to show you guys what the product looks like. So let's bring this part out. Now I basically have the footrest option all set up. And if you guys lay it back, here's basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. And the way how to design the footrest option, you do have the option to flip it around. So let's say if you guys don't want this part right here to stick out, you do have the option to actually flip like this, to slide it in. So that way it saves space, which is pretty cool. Or if you guys don't pull it out, you basically go like this and pull it out like this. And now you can use that footrest option. But that is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. So here is the front, here is the side, here is the back, and here's the other side. So after using the product for a few days or for a week, would I say that's still worth it? So for me, honestly, I still have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality gaming chair. We'll give you guys everything like I mentioned, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.